Good evening, a very warm greeting to each and every one of you. Welcome to CJM for the first ever Divya Kripa Parish Fest DKP 2023. I'm Vishal, your host, the MC for the event. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, we have a fantastic evening scheduled for you with loads of fun, music, musty and dance. And in between, as I said earlier, you have a chance to win wonderful gifts which are sponsored to us. So friends, without further ado, let us now start our program by welcoming the principal of CJM to deliver her opening address. Kids, we have a few games to my left, yes, and there is Mickey, whoever likes to bounce. Yes, please go there. Well, Amara, Werner, barabar. Hey, you come here, beta. Come a little there. Come a little there. Yes. One shot for her, please. Buckets. Yeah! We have an art gallery over here. This is the art gallery of the participants. I like the smile on her face. And the request is "Love Me When I'm Old." Is that the name of the song? Oh yeah. Okay. I thought that was a message from you to Rosie. Rosie, any reply to Michael? No. It's a beautiful thing, isn't it? So as you said, any other partners? Yes? Any couples who want to dedicate some songs for each other? An event, and that's the ramp walk by our superstars. So I request all the superstars to please come to my right. All decked up, all set up for the ramp walk. So people, before the ramp walk starts, give a clap of encouragement for our kids, please. So all set? Here we go. For our superstars of DKP. Okay, I want to go a little behind, kids, a little behind. Now, I request the parents of all the kids, if you can come on the stage, please. Yes? Now, it's very simple, okay, kids? All the kids, the parents, okay? Very simple. Just go a little behind. You can put one step behind, one arm distance between you and the kids as well. I want you to do one simple step, okay? It's a very simple step. You just need to follow me. Yeah? And anybody in the crowd, if you want to do that, you can do it as well. You just need to follow me. It's a very, very simple step. Okay? You just need to... Anybody wants to do it? It's a three simple step. The song will play, you've got to go with the song, okay? Are you ready? Give a round of applause for all the parents and the kids, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. In the meanwhile, as we have the song ready, as I said, I've got spot prizes for you all, okay? So let's have the second spot prize for the evening, okay? To one of the kids. What's her name, Beta? Liana, okay? And this gives spot prizes for all of us, yes? So Liana, can you just tell me one 2-digit number, any number? Selected is 10, okay, and this gives you a chance to win a gift. Are you carrying your mobile with you? There's a battery indicator. Yes, so anybody who's got 10% of the battery left or closest to 10 gets a gift. Come on, closest to 10? Now what how much is 17? Oh yes, exact 10%. Please come on, Zordar Talia. Thank you so much, Beta. Alvin, are we ready with the song? And it's a song for the youth, dedicated by Father Lincoln and Brother Sonu. And that's What Jhumka, huh? Father, is that the song? Yes? Yeah, go people! And now, friends, we start with the much awaited Prince and Princess and King and Queen contest. So first to go are the princesses. I request all the princess contestants to please come to my right and meet Pratima. Princesses, these are princesses. All the best for you all. Do well. Okay? Say hi to the camera. Start first with the ramp walk. Yes, we'll start with Tiara Fernandez, and then we have Tiara. We order the crowd, please. Tiara, that's Tiara for you. Then we have Vinisha. Then Mary Star, Berry. That's Tijana, there she is. Then Ricarda Lisa, Rishona, and Chanel. So much once again, give it up for our participants. Whoa, there was some answers in them that was really, really nice. I should say all the answers were really nice, but some a little more heart-touching. Thank you so much. Lovely answers, so difficult, yeah. I don't know how you all do that. Okay.
Good evening once again. We're having a wonderful time over here. A lot of participants, more than what we expected. We are slightly running short of time, but we've adjusted most of the events. Next, we're going to have the dance session. Stay tuned for the session. We're going to see a lot of jamming sessions which are going to happen. We're going to enjoy to the fullest, and afterwards, I'm going to catch more people. Some of the judges to us on how the event went. Thank you.
Camera, say hi to the camera. We have Rupesh. Thank you so much for the participants. All the best for you all. Say hi. Okay. All the best, one. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I give you the king and queen contestants for the evening. All of you all together. One question for both of you all. Okay, since it was a question which Father also asked for both of you. Okay, if all your clothes had to be of the same color, which color would it be? Both of your clothes?
It has to be yellow because that has always been my favorite color. He has no choice, so yellow, dirty feather. It has to be that.
And that goes to show the state of each husband. Yeah, you have to in the end agree with whatever your woman says. Thank you so much, Jonathan. Thank you. I request Agnes and Cheryl to please come on the stage to announce the winners and give the prizes. Agnes, Cheryl. Look at the camera. Please. King and Queen.
Dennis and Lakshmi.
Not over yet, we still have a long time to go. A small token from us. Vishal, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Okay, are we ready, people? Dancing. I will be on the floor. Thank you so much everybody. Thank you to the youth. And I'm talking about not y'all, the others like Vijay and us who are there dancing. Thank you so much Elvis for playing some lovely numbers for us. Good night everybody. Thank you so much Father Lincoln once again and to the entire organizing committee. Good night. Thank you. Good night everybody. Good night. Vishal, you're wonderful. Thank you so much. Namaskar, Shabak.